Welcome to this video where I will show you step by step how to pick ICOs with Pinksale Protocol, or how to choose new projects that are listed on a Pinksale. ICOs is initially known as initial coin offering. Nowadays there's ICOs, IDOs, launchpads. They basically all of them is a new coins coming to the market. I used to put a sale on that website. That's what it means. For Pinksale, there's always new projects that are listed on Pinksales that are coming to the market. But to find the best one and to find the one that's profitable, it really depends on how much research you do and how much you really search and make sure you spend what you can afford to lose. These things are just hit and miss. You never know what it is. But to find out the new coins that are upcoming for sale on a Pinksale, you go to pinksale.finance. Once you're there, then you click Launchpads. Then you go down and click where it says Launchpad list. On this page, as you can see, there's a bunch of new coins that are coming to the market. So right now, it's a mixture of the ones that are on a sale and upcoming ones and the ones that have already ended. So if you want to really participate on a Pinksale pre-sale new coins coming to the market, you have to plan ahead. When you plan, most likely you will win. The probability is higher for you to win rather than for you to just rush in and buy a coin that's on a sale at the moment. Have a look the ones that are upcoming, the ones that are going to be listed in a week or 2 weeks time or even a few days time. Once you have a time in your hand and research it, what you could do is then you could make the decision whether you want to participate in the pre-sale or not, and only invest what you can afford to lose, which is very important. Never ever invest money that you require in the near future or a money that you cannot afford to lose. It's a risky investing in crypto in general, and it's even riskier investing in new coin because after pre-sale it could also go into zero and the team could just walk away. So most people that are participating in pre-sales on a Pinksale come to know the new projects from an influencer on Twitter or influencer on YouTube or any other social media. Those two places, YouTube and Twitter, are most likely where people come to know new coins. And basically, they just, once they find out, they just rush and buy it straight away. As I said it, that is not a good practice. Always take your time and do your research thoroughly, regardless of what the influencer tells you, because you cannot rely on an influencer. They might be biased because they might be promoting the project, and you never know. So at the end of the day, it's your money and it's your decision, and you have to take care of it. So that's how you come to know the new projects that are listed on a Pinksale, and that's how you find new opportunities. And yeah, I hope you find useful this video, and if you find helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.